If you have wrist pain, if you have elbow pain, or if you have any kind of pain on your finger or finger joints, this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I am going to share few practices with the help of dumbbell, few practices without any equipment, and few yoga asanas to improve health of your finger joint, wrist joint, elbow joint, and shoulder joint. So watch the video till end. If you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. So first we start with loosening of our finger joints by opening the fingers and making the fist. Inhale, open and exhale, close. Inhale, open and exhale, close. Do this practice for 15 to 20 times. You can do this practice with normal breathing also. After that, we are going to move our wrist up and down. Inhale up and exhale down. Do this practice again for 15 to 20 repetition. If you have time, you can repeat for 3 sets also. After the wrist movement, we are going to do the next practice, and that is moving the elbow. So open the palms up toward the ceiling and then touch your shoulder. Inhale, open, and exhale, touch your shoulder. Again, do this practice for 15 to 20 times with the breathing. Now, after the front opening, now side by side also, touch your shoulder and open. Inhale, open, and exhale, touch your shoulder. See how simple this practice is. So your elbows are going to get nice activation after this practice. Now the next practice is keeping the left palm under your elbow, and you are going to rotate your elbow 360-degree like this. Like in India, we do arti. So clockwise direction 10 times, and after that anti-clockwise direction 10 times. Do it as slow as you can. With normal breathing you can do. So you will, after few days of practice, you will improve the blood circulation around your wrist joint. After that, you are going to repeat the same practice with other hand also. First clockwise 10 times, normal breathing, and then anti-clockwise as well. If you want to learn yoga and you want to practice all the yoga asana, you want to know how to do pranayama, breathing practice, you want to know how to meditate, I will also guide you how to improve your lifestyle and guidance about your diet. So you can join my online yoga classes which I conduct on Zoom. So you have all the flexibility. You can join these Zoom yoga classes sitting at your home. These classes happens from Monday to Friday morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. For more detail, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. After that, the elbow movement, you are going to stretch your whole finger joint, wrist joint and elbow joint. So as you inhale, stretch your hand forward, exhale, touch your chest. Inhale, out, exhale, palm to your chest. Do this practice 10 to 15 times and you will activate your wrist, finger and elbow joint all together. Now let's also stretch the shoulder along with this practice. So as you inhale, hands up, exhale, palm to the chest. This is also going to help you to lengthen your spine and also open your chest, and it will also stretch your diaphragm. I know you are enjoying this video, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much in advance. After all these practices, bring your hand at the back of your body and then simply interlock your finger and roll your shoulder back and pull your whole hand at the back of your body. You will open your chest nicely and you will stretch your whole hand. And don't turn your palm outside because it will restrict the movement. Do this practice 5 to 8 times and you will activate your whole hands and chest. Now come to the tabletop position. After all these stretches, amazing stretches, we are going to do some body weight practices. So come to the tabletop position and move your body forward, and you are going to shift your body weight from your lower body to the upper body, and you see this shift of body weight to your wrist, elbow and shoulder, making them strong. Now what you're going to do is slowly tap your opposite shoulder. You can do this practice in high plank position also. But if you already have this wrist pain and shoulder pain, I suggest to keep doing in tabletop position. But if you are confident, you want to do it in high plank position, you can do that also. So do this for 20 taps opposite shoulder. Now come to the downward facing dog and then tabletop position. Slowly downward dog to tabletop position. See how the body weight shifts. This is a good stretching and strengthening practice. So you will enjoy this practice a lot. This will also stretch your complete back. Exhale in downward dog. Inhale tabletop position. Now hold the downward facing dog and try to push your head towards the mat as much as you can, and then take rest. I hope you are already enjoying all these practices, amazing practices. I love them, I do regularly, and I know how beneficial these are. Now let's practice Vyagrasana now. Here we are going to lift the alternate legs and hands. So right hand up and left leg up, and you are going to move your body. You have to balance also, so you have to be very careful while doing this. And since the body weight was on your one leg and one hand, so it becomes little challenging sometime. So do it as slow as you can, otherwise you will lose your balance also, you see. And then you have to hold it for 10 counts like this with normal breathing. Now after all these practices, take some rest in Shashankasana and breathe well. It is really important that you take some rest in between each practice. After resting in Shashankasana, I'm going to show you this amazing strengthening practice, which is high plank position to side plank. This I don't suggest to people who already have wrist pain, shoulder pain, or elbow pain. So if you don't have any kind of pain and you want to strengthen your elbow, wrist and shoulder, you can do this practice. Otherwise, if you already have some pain, you completely skip this practice. This is the practice to improve your balance also, to improve your strength also. So I suggest to people who are not having any kind of pain. After this practice, I'm going to show you the amazing practice, which is dolphin push up. So this is modified beginner friendly push up, where you are going to come into the tabletop position, interlock your finger, measure your elbows, and then move your body forward and back. This is a modified practice, keeping in mind that your elbow, wrist and shoulder joints are having little pain and you want to strengthen them with the body weight. So move back, exhale, move forward, inhale. Do this practice 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetition, and you will not only strengthen your hands but also you are going to strengthen your core muscles. After this practice, you have to take some rest because this is an intense practice. Now come to the sitting position, and after all these body weight practices and stretching, I'm going to show you few practices with the dumbbells. With the help of dumbbell, you are going to add some weight to your practice, which is going to strengthen your joints. You can increase or decrease the weight. If you don't have dumbbells, no problem, you can take water bottles and then 1 liter water bottles, and then you can do all these practices. So clockwise rotation slowly, and then anti-clockwise rotation also slowly. So I am using 1 kg dumbbell. The red one is 1 kg and the green one is 2 kg dumbbell. So ensure that you are using very lightweight dumbbell. And now the same practice which we did without weight, now we are doing with the weight for the strengthening of the elbow. Inhale out and exhale towards the shoulder like this, very slowly. And after that, side by side also. I know you all are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to join online yoga classes, you want to practice yoga under my guidance, don't forget to call or WhatsApp on this number. You are going to enjoy all the yoga practices in which I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you how to do asanas, pranayama, meditation. So, I have very limited slots available, and new batch is going to start from Monday. So, join now. After all these amazing practices, take some rest, breathe, breathe, and breathe. And the same practice with the help of dumbbell, keeping the one palm support at the your elbow, and then rotate it clockwise with light weight. If you don't have lightweight dumbbell, do it without weight, and then anti-clockwise also, like this. See how simple these practices are. You do this practice with normal breathing, and you will increase the strength and flexibility of your elbow joints, like this. This practice is going to strengthen all the muscles around your elbows, and also this is going to improve the flexibility, which helps to improve the blood circulation around those muscles. Now, few more easy practices. Hold the dumbbells and then pull the dumbbells in, like you want to curl something in, like this. And then once you are done with this practice, like hold the dumbbell, and then like you accelerate the scooter exactly the same way. You just move the wrist out and then come to the tabletop position, and like we did the opposite shoulder tap, holding the dumbbell, and tap your opposite shoulder holding the dumbbell, like this. See how simple these practices are. I know when you start practicing all these exercises which I have shown you in this video, you are very soon going to gain all the strength which you want. So all the pain will go away, but you have to practice, you have to start practice, and you have to promise me that you are going to all these practices at your home with the help of this video. If you liked my effort, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and also comment if you like this video. Take good care of yourself. Namaste. I'll see you all in next video.